I'm very happy to be here. Got my wristband all set to go, and I'm gonna head to the pits, see some friends, see some cool cars, and get some drifting going. I'm really excited. I wish I was driving, but sadly just chilling for this weekend. Next year I'll drive though, but very excited for the weekend, and yeah, let's get it going. We're here. They got Chick-fil-A for all the chickens back here.
Right, you're aiming at you.
Oh.
Big filet for the bacon.
We made it. It's dead. Hell yeah, this is perfect. I should probably, where should I park? Oh, it's gorgeous. It's so, I love this place. It's my favorite place ever. They have the stage different this year. I don't like it over here. I like it better over here. We'll be like, Slender's playing here tomorrow night, and then Joyride tonight. Oh, I cannot wait. I cannot wait. This place is so beautiful. Road Atlanta is a legendary place. Oh, I love it here. The pits are so wild. They're so packed. Oh my God. Oh, the 2J SDI. I can't wait to go see that.
Oh yeah.
Got the drift taxi. I haven't seen this car in like 3 years. This car is so sick. It's wild. We got Forsberg's twin turbo car. Oh my God, Turk's car is so nice. Oh, JC, LS. Oh yeah. That's sick. Oh yes. 2J. And what? Cam! Oh, glorious! I can't do this. I can't do this. I can't do this. If you spin here, you shouldn't be driving. Oh, whoa, whoa, whoa. Hey, Chris. Hey, Jesus. that car. Oh my God. Oh God, oh God.
Real quick and easy. Can we do an intro? No, we'll do an intro last. Hell yeah, let's do it. All right, just got done with the first group session out here. Here with Tony, not Shulman, sorry. And what do you think?
It's awesome. All the cars are really good. We have a lot of fast cars, a lot of cool cars, all you need. Wish I was out there, but all the JG cars, all those cars, it's really sick.
I kept hearing them telling me, we'll be out there.
So the first section was really cool. I feel like half the cars were like not even on track. Like it felt like there was only like 20, 25 cars. There was like nothing on there. So I was like kind of confused. So hopefully all the drivers, all the cars come out. Again, I'm sure I was out there, but sadly I didn't apply or even tried to. But I tried after the fact. I couldn't drive, but it's still a fun event. So nice outside. We're gonna go see David now. Alright, so we're at Grid Life and we're at the Patterson car care, aka passing that dude in blue. So I'm very stoked that he has this new detail care stuff here. It looks awesome.
It's not rebadged crap.
No, it's all his. It's not a bottle with like McGuire's and then wrap a certain name on there, you know. But I've only tried the detailer so far and it impressed me. It's hard to impress me, so that's really good.
Yeah, I was really worried when he got our stuff. I thought,
really?
No, as in like I hope he likes it.
No, really, like
I know you wash cars all
like
the time.
even like for cleaning like parts and stuff, it works really good.
No, it's a great universal.
I love it. So
like, if
you guys are interested, go on PattersonCarCare.com.
PattersonCarCare.com.
Cool.
Follow us on Instagram.
Yes, sir. I'm gonna buy some stuff and then do a review on the channel for him. So very happy about this.
Oh yeah.
Cool. Yo, Matt, bro, like you got wide fat, bro. Like look at that angle. That's like full log, bro. Let's go. Brandon, what'd you just buy?
Freaking Koki fenders, baby.
S14 Koki fenders for 150 bucks.
150 bucks.
Steal the century. That's so sick. Hell yeah.
Let's go, boys.
150 for fenders, for Origin fenders. That's a steal. I saw him and I was like, all right, you gotta buy that. That's a crazy steal. Yeah, that's amazing.
Hell yeah.
Wow. My name is Electrical Tape. I like to get caught on people's shoes. When I get caught on people's shoes, I get to go very, very far. Oh, I've been spotted. Oh, God.
Is he littering?
I don't even do that.
Is that Matt from littering?
Alright, so tomorrow they're doing ride-alongs. Today there's no ride-along, sadly, but tomorrow I'll hopefully get in there because I want to ride in the cars. Last year I rode in Taylor's stock vet. It was sick, like experience the track. I want to ride in like a crazy, crazy car.
about grid life here is that you can have. There's no wall. Right here. Riley's actually a huge triple launching initiation. That's TJ Power.
All the smoke! Can't see anything. Bruce's car has improved majorly, and his driving.
I don't know. But Foxy, Tanner Faust, where was he 15 years ago? Here, 2004.
Very limited edition. Maximum grid life.
Oh, yeah, sure. Yeah,
VIP driver. Forsberg for the first time in grid life, I believe, in his twin turbo Z. This thing is like a, it's like a. He's usually out here in the EM.
Blaster. And Paco. Right now, Tanner Faust, Frederick Osmo, 3 Formula championships between those two vehicles. Just good drivers on the vehicle for
me. Yo, Corey Hosford is literally killing it, man. He's driving so well.
He's wearing an extra medium, extra red by the shirt right now.
He's driving all the way to
Holy manji, dude. Osmo drives like he's an FD everywhere he goes. He's freaking nuts.
I love when fans just can't control themselves.
Alright, so they drift 2 sections of the course at FD Atlanta, at Road Atlanta, and I was at the main area, the horseshoe over there earlier, but now we're going to the Esses, and the Esses are like literally sick. Like they have super high-speed drifting, and high-speed drifting is so sick. I haven't experienced that yet, but I want to, so next year I'm gonna try and drive here. But like, this is wild. Like this is like the environment of this track, and then drifting and music, and then, you know, friends and people and shit. It's really fun. And like immature little kids, like, you know, the garage sideways, you know.
Bro!
I'm kidding, no, I'm kidding. I'm a fanboy of Adam.
Yeah.
Alright. Everybody knows I'm not a fanboy. We're just friends. Oh, buy the Evo cam. Ooh, 16,000. Nah, screw that. Buy a drift car.
Somebody's coming, and somebody's coming in hot.
Jesus, good God. Yo, Vaughn's about to fuck. Yo, Vaughn. Woo-hoo-hoo-hoo! Yeah, Vaughn. I don't like you, but that was fucking sick.
That's the only way to drive.
Woo-hoo-hoo!
Why can't you do that shit every lap?
Woo-hoo-hoo! Yeah, Farouk.
Here we go.
Shit, we're looking for you.
Everybody's freaking out from that BMW.
I mean, I like his drifting too. I'm just curious.
Mike got locoed. Hey, Mike. Hey, what's in that cup? Bro? What's in that cup, Mike?
Sweet tea, look. See?
Oh yeah. Oh.
They're still going.
I love Jay-Z's. Oh my God.
That's off.
Oh yeah. Oh, glorious. Glorious. Oh my Lord. Yo, this guy is killing it, bro. Killing it.